Chicken Tikka Salad. This is a healthy Indian-inspired salad dish that I love. It's fantastic for meal prep, but if your family aren't a fan of eating salads, you can pop this one inside one of our cheese and spinach stuffed naans for an upgraded tandoori chicken wrap. So the salad component for the chicken tikka salad is a little bit of lettuce greens. We have some chopped capsicum. Now I'm just making a single portion for my lunch now. A little bit of red onion. We have some cucumber and some baby tomatoes. You can see just like how vibrant this salad is. Now I have some pan-seared paneer, which I really like. It's great for a protein option. A couple of cashews go in there as well. Because essentially with every single bite, I want a flavour pop. And then a couple of chickpeas. Going to give that a good mix up. Now because I'm being fancy on video, I'm going to now put this in the bowl and lovingly lay my shredded chicken on top and then drizzle my dressing. But in reality, what I would be doing is tossing it all in that bowl and pretty much eating it out of that bowl with a fork.